option is 15 second, B is 18 second, 20 second, option D 25 second. Okay, so the question 1, two trains are moving in opposite direction, okay, at 72 km per hour and 90 km per hour. Okay, their length are also given. No length is negligible. কোন negligible length নেই, দুটো length counted হচ্ছে. Okay, দুটো length counted হচ্ছে. So that's why their length are 500 meter and 400 meter respectively, and the time taken by the slower train to cross the slower, কি আছে, slower train to cross the slower train. আরে এটা ডবল হয়ে গেছে, ক্লিয়ার করো, এখানে ডবল হয়ে গেছে। the time taken by the slower train to cross, এই জায়গাটা মুছে দাও,